finally almost done setting up with my new journal, and we'll take a look at the old ones really quickly. So it says here, be awesome today, and on the header it says, listen attentively to the world and write your own life. This notebook is what I use to keep track of my piano practice, and I haven't been writing down after November 21st. Plus, it's been a very busy 2 months, year end. It's been so hectic, and this is the journal that I've been using for the past 2 years, because this log says it's 2016, and I still have a few more pages left. There are a few more pages left until I reach the end. It's because I haven't been writing much for the past 2 months. I'm sorry, I'm having a runny nose. And this binder is where I just write down things that are on my mind, and I'll just take out the ones that I've done. So this one is on the content of what I want my new journal to have. And then this is the book of quotes, where I just jot down meaningful quotes. I know I save them on Pinterest, but I also like writing them down. So this is one of my favorite. It says, don't quit when the tide is lowest, for it's just about to turn. Don't quit over doubts and questions, for there's something you may learn. Don't quit when the night is the darkest, for it's just a while till dawn. Don't quit when you've run the furthest, for the race is almost won. Don't quit when the hill is steepest, for your goal is almost nigh. Don't quit, for you are not a failure until you fail to try. Love it. So this one I've completely finished the book, and let's take a look at the new one now. This is a new one, and I've already done the tab. It's for quotes and proses, and this is my new journal. It's really sparkly, if you can see. Sparkly. Can you see? Oh, this is better. It's really sparkly. Love it. So this one is a gift, and I'm going to use this as my habit tracker for my piano and also for my exercise. So there you go. The ones with the hearts are the ones where I exercise. And today is the 30th. I've already practiced my piano, but I haven't recorded down here on the book, and also here on this page. I'm sorry, I'm having a runny nose. And also here on the songs that I've practiced and I've run through today. So this go in here. I've made the pocket just for the notebook, and it fits perfectly into the pocket. I just hope that it will last, because it's just normal paper. And this is, I love this. And this is a magic wand. Does it look like a magic wand? And this is the annual overview, actions to follow, goals. It's a lot of personal development, important dates with the days here. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. This is from January to June, and then on the next page it's from July to December. And then here are some of the things that I want to try. I'm trying something new. It can be restaurants, cafe, parks or gardens or DIY projects. Achievement for each month, like at the end of the month, or no, not really the end of the month, just during the month. If I feel like it's an achievement, I will write it down here. Piano repertoire, songs that I wanted to learn, and then my reading list, meal planner. I haven't got the time to plan yet. Sewing and my design. Monthly mission. This is for January, and this is a smudge because my hand was sweaty. Tombow pen, not very forgiving to the sweaty palms. Here I'm gonna write the highlights, and after the highlights maybe I'll be able to gauge the space that I have so that I can draw something to cover up this part, this smudge here. And this is habit tracker. I made it a monthly tracker for a lot of things. So these are just a few. And this is new vocab and wish list, and that's all. And I plan to just write everything down in this except for to-do list. So everything will go in here. Piano practice go in the small notebook. Quotes will go in here. And to-do list will be on just a separate notepad. It will not be in here. And I have this. This is my favorite page of all time. I haven't decided yet on the category, so for each entry, if it will be categorized in this tabs here. So I'll just stick one here or here or here or here. And this one, this is actually really cheap. The sparkly tapes here. It doesn't show. And I also bought here this. So the star tape here, and this gold stripes. It's not that nice because this one it's not equally distanced, so but I don't mind. It's okay because when I tape it down, it's not that obvious because I fold it into half, so it's not that obvious. That's fine with me. I bought this tapes also from Kaison, and it's only $1.90 each. Let me show you my new journal. Yay! So here it is. It says, it's in black and it's embossed, and it says Sketchbook. Promise yourself to be strong, that nothing can disturb your peace of mind. This caption is actually really good, but I don't want to have a black journal. It's way too depressing. I know at some point it looks very cool, but if you have known me for some time, then you would have known that I would prefer something more sparkly. So that's why I bought a wrapping paper. The wrapping paper that I've gotten to wrap my what's this called, my journal in. It's sparkly. Anyway, all I'm trying to tell you is that the journal is yours, so make it yours. You don't have to do it like everyone else because it's about you. Then go ahead and be original and be yourself. Oh, you can actually see how it's binded on the side. It's thread binded. Yeah, does it show? So I'm going to wrap this with this, and then it will be a sparkly journal and people can spot it anywhere. Fantastic. I'll see you when it's done. I'm sorry, my OCD just kicked in and I have to sort them out by colors. All the tapes that was in this jar initially. So I wanted to show you this triangular ruler. Is actually a very good ruler when you need to draw a straight line across something, because just now I was just using a normal ruler, and as you can see it's not straight because you don't get a 90-degree angle with the normal ruler, but you can get it here. Just need to make sure that the bottom fits, and then you can see. So now I have to draw, and I'm glad I checked with this 90-degree ruler. And this is the pencil that I use. It says here, what does it say? Faber-Castell. This camera is not good at focusing. Is it my hand that is shaky? Let me draw this line again and I'll cut this and check in with you later. And I'm done, yay! So this is the front. Normally the front page is a page where you can't open fully, so I've pasted that page to the cover and then wrap it with this. So the back, I didn't do that. So this is the last page and it doesn't open fully because this is how they attach the book to the cover, just by sticking it to this last page, to the cover. So the original cover without the page. Oh no, this paper doesn't stick so well to its own surface. I must try more glue, or I must put clip to it. Check in with you later. Now I can finally write on it. Not that I cannot write when it's not wrapped, but it's so much happier to see sparkles when you write. It's almost essential for me to see sparkles as I write. So Happy New Year and have a fantastic year ahead. As usual, you know that you have to stay ahead by planning ahead. So have a great year. Have a great time planning your year and making all your dreams come true.